The entry rules allow you to define the way you want to enter the market by defining the order type and its related values. You can create new rules or edit existing ones under the Rule Manager. To create a new entry rule, you can click the New Rule button or right-click on the Entry Rules folder. Here, we can see the order type, which can be an instant order or a pending order. In the case of an instant order, you can set the stop loss and take profit values. These are optional. Of course, we strongly advise you to set a stop loss to any order. You can drag and drop a default rule or a user-defined rule to customize their values. Next, you can choose the lot size calculation mode. It's possible to use static value or to calculate it automatically according to the risk exposure. This means that the lot size will be calculated in relation to the percentage of your account you can afford to lose on this order. It can only be done if a stop loss is in place in your entry rule. The last option is the possibility to add an exit rule to your entry rule. This is optional and is subject to another dedicated video. For this demonstration, we will create an entry rule, using an instant buy order, with a stop loss to the last swing low spot and a take profit to the last swing high spot, without exit rule. During your backtest processing, you can find your rule in the folder tree and create the order by drag and dropping it on the chart. We can see that the stop loss and take profit values are defined as expected. Now, we will do the same with a pending order. To save time, we will clone, rename and modify the existing rule. In the case of a pending order, you have two additional values to fill: the execution price and the expiration delay. The first one is the price which will trigger the order when the market will reach it. The expiration delay provides the possibility to define an expiration to your pending order. This can be based on the number of bars, or on the time span. For this another demonstration, we will create an entry rule using an pending buy order, risking 2% per trade with a stop loss to the last swing low spot and a take profit to the last swing high spot, still without exit rule. The execution price will be 1 pip above the high of the last bar. And the expiration delay is 3 bars. As usual, we save the current rule. As seen previously, you can create the order by drag and dropping the entry rule on the chart. In this first case, the stop loss has been triggered, showing the 2% account loss. In this second case, we can see that the order is deleted after the expiration delay of 3 bars. In this last case, the take profit is fulfilled. In this video, we showed you how to design the entry rules and how they can help you to trade conveniently and save a lot of time.